You can order the front bumper cover used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. At the mudguard, use a fork to remove the plastic rivet to open the access hatch to the rear headlight retaining system. In order to change the front bumper cover on your vehicle, you need to remove the grille assembly and the two headlights. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Grille Assembly Dodge Ram 1500, but also our video, How to Replace the Headlight Assembly Dodge Ram 1500.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Via the access hatch, unscrew the bolt attaching the bumper cover to the fender using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Next, using a ratchet and an 8mm socket, loosen the screw attaching the mudguard to the bumper cover. Perform the same operations on the other side. Disengage the bumper cover from the fender by pulling it down and out. On both sides of the bumper cover, pull on the plastic tabs to release the plastic brackets. Then, pull on the bumper cover to dislodge it. You can now remove the bumper cover. You can order the front bumper cover used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Set the new bumper cover in place. Properly position the bumper cover retaining lugs in the fenders one side at a time. Reinsert the tabs into their slots to hold the parts together.
If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Screw the bumper cover retaining bolt back onto the fender. Screw the mudguard retaining screw back onto the bumper cover. Perform the same operations on the other side. Put the headlights back in place. Put the grille assembly back in place. Close the access hatch. Operation complete.